A respectful gratitude to all the people who are watching this video. When we talk about the motion like postmortem of politics, then we essentially need to revisit our classical thinkers and philosophers like Aristotle and Plato, who first hand talk about what politics was and what it really meant. They did not meant politics and morals and ethics to be segregated. They wanted them to go in hand, and that was essentially what they meant. That politics and ethics cannot be understood differently. They have to be together at every point in time. And what we are seeing right now is that Aristotle, who was considered the father of political science, we have left his ideas and values way behind and we have reached to this status quo. This status quo where we have moved beyond political moralism to political realism, and we have even surpassed that. And what we are countering right now is that all the institutions have been failed. All the governments are failing. All the states or our ideologies are failing. All our individuals and our virtues are failing. And why is it so? Because we have left behind our core principles of what politics really meant. So, what was politics? Politics was the way of life. How can an individual attain a happy lifestyle? And that was only possible when that individual attained the highest virtue of justice. And that was only possible when any particular state and government give knowledge and give awareness to that individual to take them, act as a midman and to take these individuals to attain that highest virtue. That was the role of state and government and our individual role. But both of these have failed, and how it has failed is something which we are countering right now. Firstly, when we talk about institutions that those are responsible to take us to that highest virtue have become corrupt. How they have become corrupt? Because their virtue was to serve these individuals. The role of the government was to serve these individuals so that they can achieve their highest virtue of justice. But now their role has changed. They want these individuals to serve them. They have become power-seeking governments and power-seeking state, and that is their only role, and that has become their end goal, to become a superpower and to subvert other nations. And they have failed as an institution, therefore. How we have failed as an individual is something we need to counter now. We have failed as an individual because our roles and responsibilities were mentioned earlier. We do not need to live in ignorance of power and money. We need to surpass that ignorance and live in the enlightenment, because we were clear that we had this virtue to live a happy life. But this is not something which is our end goal now. And therefore we as an individuals have failed also. What we are seeing in international relation right now is that each country is formulating their foreign policy in such a way where they are balancing their power. They are using the strategies so that they can increase their arms and emulation so that they can subvert other nations. They are violating their human rights of their own citizens and other countries as well. They are not respecting their virtues. They are not respecting their roles and duties. We have all forgotten our core principles, and that is why we are all failing. And we are failing our classical thinkers who talked and gave us this idea of how to live in this whole society and to formulate how the government should run. We have failed all these things. And what is something that we need right now? We need to revisit all our classical thinkers. We need to go beyond this living of ignorance, and we need to bring back the era of enlightenment. We need to learn our core principles of not just politics but all our ideologies that we are following. And only by this means now we can go ahead and bring back the real sense of politics.